Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hashmi. I'm your maths tutor for the Cambridge IGSC O-Level. Today we are going to discuss probability through the Venn diagram. Let's start. Before going to start the probability through the Venn diagram, we have to know about the Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram is basically the diagram in which we are going to assemble the data on the basis of the same property or the common properties. Okay, for the Venn diagram we need some sets. Okay, we have set A and set B. Okay, and there is a representation for the set A. Like if we have an element, we are going to write in this bracket. Okay, and epsilon shows the universal set. Before going to discuss the probability, we have some rules for the Venn diagram. So the rule 1 is probability if in question it is written over there, probability of getting elements either from set A or the set B. It means what you have to do, you have to find out probability of A union B. And you also know about the union because you have read about the Venn diagram in previous grade also. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the probability of A union B when they are going to say either from set A or either from the set B. Okay, here R is representing union. Okay, what about the rule 2? If they are going to say probability of getting elements from the set A and set B. Okay, now you have to find the probability of getting element which is involved in both of sets. So what you have to do, you have to find a probability of A intersection B. So intersection represent the AND. Okay, from third rule, you have probability of not getting element from set A. So what you have to do, you have to find out the probability of A complement. Okay, so there is two representation for the complement in your previous grade, either from AC or either from A prime. Okay, and how you get the probability of these sets? So in this, you have to find out probability of A union B. You can get by number of A union B divided by number of elements present in the universal set. Okay, so you have to do it with the same. Probability of A intersection B means number of elements present in the A intersection B divided by number of intersection or number of elements in the universal set. Right. For this you have to do it. Pause the video and do it by yourself. Yes. It means you have to find number of element present in A complement divided by number of element present in the universal set. Right. Now we are going to apply on this in example. Okay. So here is the example. You have card numbers 1 to 15 are arranged in two sets. Okay. The sets are given with set A is multiple of 3 and set B is multiple of 5. So you are given with if I am going to write in a mathematical form, multiple of 3 in between 1 and 5 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, right? Okay. For multiple of 5 in between card 1 and 15, you have numbers 5, 10, 15. So in part A, you have to represent all these data through the Venn diagram. Look, you have card from 1 to 15. It means your universal set is now from 1, 2 till then 15. Right. So I have written over here, epsilon is the square box and the circle represent the set A and set B. So I have represented blue with the set A and red with the set B. Look, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 are from the set A and 5, 10, 15 are from the set B. Right? So all rest of all numbers are excluded from these two circles because they are not included in set A, they are not included in set B, they are included in universal set. Okay, so I have representation I have presented this in the form of mathematical because it is in the descriptive method. Okay, you know the descriptive method of the set when they are going to write the statement for the set. Okay, so I'm going to write in a mathematical form. So here is the mathematical form. Okay. Now look at the part B. They said a random card picked, and you have to calculate the probability of getting the element from set A. Getting element from set A. It means you have to find out the probability of set A. So what I have said before, yeah, probability of set A means you have to find the number of elements in set A and number of element in the universal set, which is 15, right? So number of element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because these are the multiple of what? Right, 3. So here the number of elements is 5, right? So applying the formula, you will get the answer 1 by 3. Pick a random card which belongs to both set A and set B. So I have explained set A and B. If there is written A and it means there is the intersection sign. Okay, now you have to do probability of A intersection B. It means you have to find out the number of element A intersection B and number of element of the universal set. So only 15 number is present in A intersection B, right? So number of element is what? A, 1. Yes, so probability of A intersection B is 1 by 15. Number of element between A intersection B divided by number of element of universal set is 1 by 15. Right. Hope you get the topic. And if you don't understand anything, please comment below. Thank you.